Hi guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update for all the freshers and experienced graduate. The important part of this job update is that this job will be a permanent work from home job. It means you can start and you can continue your day-to-day work from your home location only. No need to visit any location. Also, this job is for the freshers graduate and any graduate can apply for this role. So, if you want to get all the details regarding the job, I am requesting you, please do not skip any part of this video. In this video, I will explain how you can apply for this job and how you can get the call from the HR team. So, please stay tuned with the video and check all the detailed parts so that you can prepare your resume, you can apply for this job and you can easily clear this work from home job. So now, without wasting any time, let's jump into the screen and let's discuss about the job. Hello guys, this is Miss Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new work from home based job update for all the freshers and experienced graduates who want to start their career and who is looking for a work from home based job update. They can follow this video and you can get the job application link in the description area so that you can get the exact link and apply for this role. So here you can see the job role is data tagging executive and the company name is Parallel Dots. Here it is mentioned it will be a remote job update and the location will be completely remote. Roles and responsibility they have mentioned: effectively delivering 100% accuracy of the work, processed data should be 100% accurate, achieving the target, responsive, diligence and sincerity, ownership and accountability. So here you have to work with data, but this particular job role is not considered as a data analyst or data science role. It's a data tagging role. You have to tag the data such a way so that it will be representable to the another stakeholders in your company. So here they have provided the skill details as well. You should be graduated from any discipline. Any graduate can apply for this role. Basic knowledge of computers you require. Basic knowledge of working on Excel, PowerPoint, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Gmail. So here you have to work with mostly reporting work and they are considering the Google tools. So you have to be familiar with the Google tools. It's similar with the Microsoft tools as well, but there are some functionality changes in Google tools compared to Microsoft tools. So you can check this on internet. After that you can apply for this role. So they have also mentioned what will be the requirement, like as it is a work from home based job, this environment you need to establish in your home. So laptop they have mentioned processor minimum i3, RAM minimum 4 GB, electricity backup and internet connection minimum 20 Mbps internet speed required. If you have these all in your home, then you can apply for this role. Here you can get the application form. It's already available here. You have to provide all the details and you have to attach your resume. And if you have experience, then you can mention experience. If you don't have experience, still you have to mention anything. So what you can do here, you can add your internship experience. If you have done any kind of summer training, internship, anything, you can mention this as experience. That will be considerable for this role. After that you can submit the application. If the application got selected for this role, you will get a call from the HR or the HR will mail you for the interview purpose. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. It's all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.